y'all let me talk a little bit. I've missed speaking to you guys or speaking to us actually. And then I don't give a fuck. And then I lost my account because I showed Lulo Cafe's thing so small. So I can never apologize for that. I can apologize if you have a big. I'll owe you an apology. But if your shit's so small and it looks so tired, I do not owe you an apology. You owe the community an apology for walking around like you got a big while you got some small as shit. So no, we're not sorry. Like, I don't give a fuck. And one of the first videos I'm gonna share on my YouTube page will be that fucking video. We're back to square one. And if you go lower, I go even lower. If you go lower, I go to hell. That's where we're gonna be. And I wasn't arrested. I've been here. So ningandinyeli. Because ngikhuluma into hi Mbali. They're here. But now everybody, they're doing what they're doing because they just Twitter accounts, and then we are a brand, and then we're not the same. And then I don't give a shit about none of that people. And I just came to say hi. I didn't come here to say a lot of things. And I came to say hi. Fuck you, Afiba. That's all I came to say to do. Hi, Mbali.
Hi, Chomi. Hi, Chomi. How are you?
Chommy. Chommy. I am fine. I never made it to the cell. I am fine.
Chomi,
How
I'm
you?
happy to hear that you're good. Chomi, I missed you so much. Can you please say yo, yo? I miss that a lot. I wake up in the morning and be like,
The Pope is here.
Ah,
Fuck that class.
Chomi.
You can miss one class. You can,
Ah,
right?
friend.
There is no
Ah,
way I'm not accepting this greatness. There's no way I'm not
yeah.
accepting.
You can miss one class. It's okay. Okay. It's not that bad. I just came to say hi.
We've
And I'm
missed
still
you. We've missed you.
that. I'm still full of violence. There is a bone I need to pick with some people. I don't give a. There is a bone I need to pick. I remember, and then I know. Then I left a couple of days, and then there's like a fever. Do you want to go there first, or y'all want to hold on a little bit and be nice? Because I don't want to be nice. I don't want to. I want to get some people. Some people will get God, and I'm gonna get the shit out of them. But I just came to say hi. But some people will get God. Hi, Afiba. Me and you gotta talk. We gotta talk for real. And I don't got time to play because then let me tell you. Okay, my friends are here. We're leaving. We're going to drink, but I don't give. Then, then let me tell you. This is community meeting number one. We're at the community hall, and yeah, fucking go. I'll walk. I don't give a. Yeah, leave me, leave me. So we're gonna start with Afiba. So, hey, Daddy. So I had through the grapevine. Then I'm sitting, minding my own damn business. Tell that there's only one, the Pope of pop culture, not him. Who the fuck is Afiba? Nobody knows who Afiba is, and we don't care who Afiba is, right? Because I don't tell. Yeah, I got a bone to pick and a big one, and I got a couple of bones to pick with a couple of people. So, so yeah. But first person that okay, who I'm gonna send the co-host thing. The first bone we're picking. If you guys can hear me, let me know. But the first bone we're picking is at Afiba. Hi, Shiesty. Shiesty's here. Hey, Daddy. The first bone we're picking is at that five. And then I know, then I raised my account for y'all, and y'all just don't even respect me after I raised my account, and I gave y'all good as content, and and I left, and when I left, I don't even feel bad. That's number one. I don't feel bad that the last thing I shared was Lulo Cafe's nudes. I'll share them again. They're coming on my YouTube. I don't give a shit. I still got that video. I'ma share them on my YouTube. That nude, I didn't share it by mistake. I would do it again. So that means I don't regret anything. I don't regret sharing it. But I also know that sharing all the content that I share comes at a price. And I've paid the price, but I don't give as long as you guys are here, I would do it again. So please know that. That's number one. But then I had one of my good friends was like talking to me and telling me stuff. And then he was like conversating, right? And then my friend like, or then okay, then they, I don't like to say the he she thing. I'm gonna say they. And then they spoke about a FIBA. And I wanna say FIBA and that fucking spaces with 10 people that nobody listens to. And I just wanna say a few and yeah, some more. Fucking leave me. Anyway, I just wanna say hi. Hi Shiesty.
Yo, Musa, dude, what, dude? Like, you don't understand where you've left us, hey? As a community, like, you left niggas high and dry. That's crazy. But the fact that, like, we can hear your voice, especially after people were saying that, like, you've been to jail and you're in jail and all of those things, like, for a community, it's like it's hard to hear that, especially some of the things that we've built around, these type of engagements. But like, to hear that, like, you're a free man and you're out and you're still the same Musa as.
Outweigh. Let's backtrack. Outweigh, because I never been to anyway.
No, I'm
Shiesty.
saying, I'm saying
No,
the fact.
fuck. Shut your mouth. Shut your
I,
mouth.
I, I, I.
Shut your mouth. Outweigh when I never went to anyway. The only
No,
thing I
I'm saying
did was
out. I
lose
was
my
saying. I'm
account.
saying. Okay, let me
Can
say
you
this.
get
Let me
me a
say.
secret, Clay? Please, show me. Ngala 2 rand yakho ngicela ugwayi. Please.
I was no. I was just saying that you're out of like whatever has been keeping you away from these spaces or interacting with people that actually follow you, because I'm sure you've read the tweets. Like, people genuinely miss you. Twitter has genuinely not been the same without a personality such as yours. A lot of people, as I've even tweeted this over the past couple of weeks, that a lot of the people that were reporting you are actually people who wanted to take like your style and your audience and your platform. um, Quite a lot of them are tweeting like you. Quite a lot of them are, just trying to copy exactly what you were doing,
Say
trying to.
hi to Afiba. Say hi to Afiba. There's only one Musa and I'm not gonna be apologetic about it. But tell that I said hi.
Hey, Musa, I'm just so glad. I'm just so glad we're hearing your voice. That's, for me and a lot of people I know, we're just glad to hear your voice. We know Twitter has not been the same. That's why we were fucking with you, like, even before. Like, it's now, it's like even the people that were very critical of your posts realized the importance that you actually play. I want to tell you something that happened to me on this weekend, and then I'm just gonna jump off of this. This weekend I was at a type of a brunch thing, and there's quite a few journalists there as well. And I won't say who the editor of the publication was, but she said, she literally a quote verbatim, and I'm telling you, she said, a lot of these celebrities now are very comfortable since Musa has left. He needs to come back. And then she mentioned BL, you know. I don't know what the issue was there between her and BL and BL's people, but like, the reality is a lot of these people, since you've been gone, it's been roses for them. And yeah, I'm just glad that you're back. I'm just glad that you're back, though.
But has it been roses? But let me tell you something, Shiesty. A love hate relationship. There's a relationship I have with those celebrities. I don't love them. I don't want them to love me. I don't give a. But it's a love hate. But I also know that the same Bonang Lai to be speaking of, the husband was the one calling me all the time. And I did express that in one of our many spaces that these are the people that want to call me offline. And then when I don't speak about them, they want me to speak about them. But when I speak about them, it's like, okay, why are you speaking about them? I'm going to tell you, there's a couple of us here. Oh, there's a secret. Oh, God. Chomi, you're such a good friend. You're such a good friend. Thank you. So then I'm gonna drop a couple of names and then I'm gonna let you know what's up. Number one, I don't that I shared the Lulo Cafe video. I will share it again. Get that very clear. I don't regret that. I love me a good story and I will risk it all for a good story. This is not my first account to get suspended. We've been suspended. Probably one of the most people who've been suspended on Twitter over time would be Musa Khawula, and my friends would tell you this is probably my 20th account I've created in all of Twitter, 20 being a minimum. So we're not worried. We're just gonna continue, and when we come back, then I took a break, right? Let me tell you, this is proof of life. So y'all let me talk a little bit. I've missed speaking to you guys or speaking to.
That was our very own national source and Skata King blogger Musa Khawula, who went back to Twitter with a new account after he lost his old one, which had over 200,000 followers, you guys, clearing up the rumors about him being incarcerated and, of course, talking about Lulo Cafe's private parts and giving his opinion, you guys. Now, he talked about coming to YouTube and uploading Lulo Cafe's private parts on this platform, and I'm quite sure, you guys, that he does not know about the YouTube community guidelines, you guys. Musa Khawula said quite a lot on that space, you guys. Now, do share your thoughts. What are your thoughts about Musa Khawula being back on Twitter? Tell me what you think, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.